Hi, this is Kristina Guerrero-Sisneroz, and I am running for Justice of the Peace, and I'm doing a series of short clips to inform the voters who are looking at the Republican primary candidates for Justice of the Peace for 2020 to be able to be informed. And I do not use scripts during these videos. I think that you deserve to have someone that speaks from their heart, and that's why I do live chats, and that's why I'm open for questions, so that you're not hearing from what somebody's campaign manager or scriptwriter wrote. You're hearing what their actual knowledge is and their actual views are. So this clip is called Why Just Having Been a Judge is Not Enough. I have been a private attorney and I have been a prosecutor. I have been in family law, and I have been in custody, in juvenile, in criminal, in dependencies, in wills and trusts. And I have done criminal cases all the way up from having a murder to sexual abuse of children, to drug cases, to misdemeanors, to dog biting, to civil cases. And I have done jury trials, and I am the only Republican candidate that can say that I have done a jury trial, which means I've performed it. I haven't sat there and watched it. I've performed it, which means I have composed the jury instructions, which are oftentimes pages long. I don't think I've ever had jury instructions shorter than 50 pages. I have done voir dire, which means I pick out the jury, and I have followed courtroom rules. I have gone up against some very experienced attorneys over the years, and I have held my own, and I have won a lot of times in civil and in criminal. And I think that it's not just enough to have been something, but you need to have a good reputation and be good at what you're doing. And I think if you ask around and talk to other attorneys or other people that have been in the court with me, you'll see that I am the best candidate for this job. And this is Kristina Guerrero-Sisneroz. Vote for me in 2020 on the Republican primary ballot. Thanks.